How many times have you cursed your memory for forgetting that crucial file? That college assignment? That career-defining presentation? The story of Dropbox begins precisely with that, a catastrophic oversight. Let's go back to 2007. Drew Houston, a young MIT student, is traveling by bus from Boston to New York. His head is full of code, algorithms, the next big idea. But upon opening his laptop, panic sets in. He forgot his USB drive. Hours of work, dedication, lost in digital limbo. At that moment, frustration transforms into an epiphany. Why not have a virtual, USB drive, accessible from anywhere? The idea of Dropbox was born. Together with Arash Ferdowsi, a friend and fellow MIT student, Houston embarks on the adventure. They set aside the security of the university and dive into the uncertain world of startups. The context is favorable. Broadband is booming, cloud computing is starting to take off, and the need to share files online is increasing. But the road was not a bed of roses. In its early days, Dropbox was a rudimentary project, with flaws and errors. Investors were skeptical. Another cloud storage platform? What made Dropbox different? The key was simplicity. Houston and Ferdowsi understood that technology, to be successful, had to be invisible. Dropbox was not just a place to save files, it was an extension of your hard drive, automatically synchronized between all your devices. Drag and drop. That was the magic. To convince investors, Houston recorded a demo video. It wasn't an elegant or sophisticated video. It was an honest presentation, showing how Dropbox solved a real problem. The video went viral. People understood it. People wanted it. In 2008, Dropbox hits the market. The growth is exponential. Suddenly, students, professionals, companies around the world depend on Dropbox to store and share their files. The intuitive interface, the perfect synchronization, the ability to access your data from anywhere, were a revolution. But success attracts competition. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, all want their piece of the pie. The battle for the cloud intensifies. Dropbox is forced to innovate, to reinvent itself. They add new features, real-time collaboration, integration with other applications, productivity tools. Dropbox becomes more than just a simple file storage, it transforms into a virtual work center. And this is where the myth comes in. Have you ever heard of the Dropbox referral program? It is said that this referral program, which rewarded users with additional space for inviting their friends, was the key to Dropbox's success. It is true that the program contributed to the viral growth of the platform. But some believe the story hides something more. It is rumored that behind the referral program was a secret algorithm, designed to identify the most influential users and offer them even greater rewards. It is said that Dropbox tracked user activity on social networks, analyzed their connections, and offered them personalized incentives to promote the platform. Truth or urban legend? Dropbox has never confirmed or denied the existence of this secret algorithm. But the truth is that the referral program was a resounding success, catapulting Dropbox to the top of the cloud storage market. Today, Dropbox is a consolidated company, with millions of users worldwide. It has adapted to the new times, to the era of teleworking, to the need for remote collaboration. It has overcome crises, faced giants, and has managed to remain relevant in a constantly evolving market. But what lessons can we draw from the Dropbox story? First, the importance of solving a real problem. Second, the beauty of simplicity. Third, the ability to adapt and reinvent yourself. And, perhaps most importantly, the audacity to turn a simple oversight into an opportunity. Because sometimes, behind a simple icon on the screen, there is a story of innovation, perseverance, and a bus lost on the highway.